Welcome back, gentlemen, to the Bitcoin market update. Today is November 22nd, 2019. Let's jump into it. Bitcoin, BTC, USD on the 1 day for Coinbase. We're looking at $7,232. We did break through today. We did break through my area of support and are starting to lose traction and go lower. I put a little ouchie here. Let's get rid of this. I was looking at the earlier like 1 hour time frames. Let's just clean this chart up a little bit. I was hoping that we could get a bounce off of this candle and run higher, possibly hitting into this area. And now these are no longer valid. So I'm going to get these out of here too. We will paint in a new bounce target if it decides to actually bounce up. Now, I will pull this area of support back in. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to remove it because we broke through, and anytime you break through like that, that's just not a good thing. We've come down to the 618. That's where we're at right now, and that's my 618 target. That was my first target number 1 on a downtrend for a pullback. And let's get rid of this one. Now, target 2 is, oh boy, I really moved that one around on you. Sorry. So that's target 1. Target 2 is right here at 5,443. Where we're going to reach for that, I think. We might not get there right away, but somewhere in here, I believe we're going to bounce. I'm kind of thinking around the 6,500 area. The reason why I'm saying that is because I think that we could be doing three, what do they call that? 3 black crows. And it's candles of equal size that are a red sell-off. So I thought that would probably bring us down, maybe down to a wick. And then bounce up, but somewhere around 6,500 I thought we could reach today. All right, let's see. Bitcoin USD, I would say stay out of it for now. Let's see how the RSI is looking. RSI looks real weak. We're in that oversold area, but it's kind of flattening out. Maybe tomorrow will be a better day, but I think we're going to possibly sell off a little harder. All right, LTC USD on the 1 day for Coinbase, Litecoin. We also closed right at the bottom area of the support. I'm going to clean up this chart also just to kind of clean it up a little bit. I know everyone's having a hard time making sense of my buys and I don't know, just people are having a hard time. So here we go. Let's get rid of that one even. Okay, so we did hit a 786 target, my target number 1 at $48, but we're at 47 now. So that was 48.64. We're at 47. So yeah, well, that target was easily hit. Now my target 2 for Litecoin on a pullback here is at $35. I know. So we got 12 more bucks to go down before we reach this target 2 right here. Now, the lowest I think we're going to go is 28. I think this area of support somewhere around here is going to hold. We may wick down to it and then bounce up. But hopefully Litecoin can hold and put in the good work. Okay, LTC USD. I would stay out of that one also. Hold your cash. Ethereum USD on the 1 day for Coinbase. We have $150. Now, the sell-off for this has been pretty rapid. Let me just grab this real quick and say, well, from our top to our bottom, we're down 30% in 27 days, which is pretty brutal, actually. I'm going to get this out of here. We're going to clean up my charts just a little bit and help you guys out. Yeah, we'll get rid of that one too. We don't need that. And yeah, I love making marks on my chart, but it does get a little messy, don't it? Okay, so this chart here came down and now we're in the middle of our support area. I'm rooting for it to close below, believe it or not, and it's probably going to keep going down lower. 141 was my target. We did reach that at the 786, but now I believe we're going down to the 99.21 area. So that's a big dipper, right? That's a real hard pullback. So from a 786 standpoint, I mean, it might, I don't know. I'll just leave it at that. I would say stay out of it. ETHUSD looks like it's going down. Waiting for these indicators to start turning around, but they're not turning around yet. It's close, but it's not there yet. It's still wanting to go lower. XRP USD on the 1 day for Coinbase also. We have 23 cents. This was a pretty rough candle here. We lost a penny on XRP for the day. And we are coming up harder on RSI turning around closer than anything else for XRP. So, and our XRP hasn't really lost too much in the last couple of days. It's only lost 2 cents. I know it's only 25 to 23 cents, but, it hasn't really pulled back that hard as much as the other ones. So XRP is doing okay, but still we're actually in an area of support right now, and I'm not sure if it's going to hold or not. Let's pull this area of support out farther and just see where it takes us out in the future. Okay, here we go. And total market cap is $189 billion. Whew, yeah, we're bleeding money out here fast. Hopefully the bottom will come in here soon. We're gonna just have to cross our fingers. Watch this carefully. This wick is telling us that the market may, the bulls might want to come in here soon. It's a possibility. It's not a buy it situation yet, but it's getting close. Total market cap too, everything excluding Bitcoin, is at 59 billion. So yesterday we were at 63 billion. We're at 59 now. Ooh, bad. Bitcoin dominance is at 68.66. Had a good day today, a little bit of a lift. So I could actually say, hey, as far as Bitcoin dominance, it's starting to want to go higher. It's showing signs of strength for right now. We'll see what it does. I like this day. This was a good day. I did expect it to come back and retest the 9. It almost did, but it's had like a 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 days of good upside. A pullback would be okay. It'd be acceptable before pushing higher. So actually anticipate this candle here closing at this area right here. But so far looking good. We could possibly retest the bottom of that Kumo cloud before pulling back again. Others dominance is at 5.98. There it is. It just reloaded. We got out here, which is actually a little bit higher than where we're at now. So the call was good. It was just a little early. And other than that, I think that should do it for this evening. Thank you guys for joining me. God bless you. We'll see you in the group. I'm out of here. God bless you. See ya. I'm out.